Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to show a information message to user in Excel like this. When you will click on a cell to type a name, it will show you a information message. Please enter name in uppercase only. So how to set this information message into your Excel sheet? Let's see how it's work. I'm going to set an information message on phone number list. Select your data range of cell, then go to Data tab. Now click on Data Validation. So in the Setting tab, just leave it like this. Go to Input Message tab. So now give the title of the message. In my case, it is Information, so I will type here Information. Now in the input message. Type here your message. I will type here to inform the user. Please enter your phone number with your country code. Now click on OK button. So now when you will click on any cell in this range, it will show you this information message. Now if you want to remove this message, so select that specific range, then click on Data Validation. Just click on Clear All button, then simply click on OK button. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.